you were appointed by President Duterte as head of the Presidential PCUP, Presidential Commission on the Urban Poor. Why did you turn your back on your former benefactor?
No, the former president fired me.
Fired you?
Yeah.
Why?
Supposedly for excessive foreign travels, no?
In your prosecution team, anyone who has been identified with the flood control?
Wala naman, wala.
Wala. So you made sure that none of your team were implicated in the...
Wala doon sa flood control.
So you don't carry that baggage personally. Each one of you do not carry
fairness,
a baggage.
In fairness,
wala doon sa 11-person
panel.
panel.
You are part of that.
Which the flood control corruption.
The prosecution team.
Yes, of course.
What's your role in that prosecution team?
No, I lead the unexplained wealth issue.
So you're going to prosecute the...
Yeah.
You're going to do the direct questions, the direct examination.
Sinong kasama mo?
Kami po ni na Congressman Chel. At parami, mga 7 pong mga kongresista kasi I think that's what they call the beating heart of the proceeding. Yung pong unexplained wealth.
Leila.
Meron din siyang sarili pong mga grounds that she will prosecute.
Hindi siya doon sa
If you're able to at liberty to disclose, what would be the... Have you planned out your prosecution, your side, what evidence will be, or rather, what allegation will you first present?
Very important po yung threats to the president. Tapos unexplained wealth, and then confidential funds misuse.
In that order?
Bribery.
In that order?
Yan po yung, I think, what we are looking at. Yung po order of presentation.
Okay, so yung banta mo na kay... So, okay. So, and the witnesses have been all lined up?
Basically, kung ano naman ho yung nakita po ninyo,
sila na
doon
rin.
sa House Committee on Justice proceedings, yan din naman po yung ipipresente.
Wait, curious. You did mention Madriaga. You're not thinking of presenting the issue on Madriaga?
Kasi meron po mga ibang mga evidence ho na mas mabigat
So,
than the Madriaga affidavit, no? So for example, yung pong mga COA decision and report, tingin ko mabigat na hong mga dokumento yon on confidential funds misuse.
So by and large, you are just 3 causes of action lang?
May bribery pa. Yung DepEd.
Wait, so the order will be, number 1, the midnight rant of the
threats against the president,
Okay.
unexplained wealth, confidential funds misuse, tapos yung pong bribery, which is yung DepEd na bigayan. Nung
okay.
pong,
may mga witnesses
good
kayo
government,
dyan, di ba?
yung Good Government Committee.
Yung isang former USEC.
Former USEC po ng DepEd.
And I would suppose that will also include the military witnesses who were cut short during that Quadcom hearing.
Tama. Yung sa military witnesses po, kasama din dyan within yung confidential funds.
Correct.
Misuse po
Hindi
yun.
sa DepEd. Sa confidential funds nga
May
pala.
bahagi po na DepEd kasi may mga military officers din naman.
So sa hearings, ano na lang, mas detailed na yung presentation ninyo ng charges.
Basically, yung pong mga...
Hihimayin na talaga.
yung particular, for example, may mga documents, iisa-isahin ho talaga yun. Kasi, ano na talaga
Kasi
yun.
sa House, hindi ganun eh. Diba? Hindi ganun. Na-present lang
Right.
several issues, yun lang. Pero walang himay, walang detailed explanation.
How do you square off, because the confidential funds, sabi niyo it was used in 13 days or so many days, di ba? Because they needed to consume that before the year ended. That was, on your claim, the evidence that you had at that point before you presented Madriaga was 13 days inubos yung pera. How do you square that off with the argument of Madriaga? Hindi, inubos ko in 1 day. That's a pretty inconsistent or rather 2 versions of the use of the confidential funds. You might want to think about that.
Well, tingin ko naman hindi yun bangga. Kasi, I think as far as the COA was concerned, doon sa reporting sa kanila, naubos within that particular period. So, hindi yun bangga kung sinabi man ni Madriaga na, hindi, inubos kaya ng 24 hours.
So you're saying that how it was, who used it is irrelevant. The fact that based on the COA audit, naubos siya.
Within that particular period of time on that year.
Are you you were just prepared lang. Ngayon lang sila nagbinuo yung prosecution team. Unlike you, sina Attorney Michael Poa has already and company have already claimed we are prepared for this impeachment trial since last year pa.
Yeah, but you also have the prosecution team that is part of the previous impeachment team and also was part of the House Committee on Justice proceedings.
Meron ba kayo private lawyer?
Meron.
Diba?
Well, meron mga kinakausap and will be engaged.
Are you free to disclose who?
We will disclose officially.
See,
who the list
but
is.
the one that's being bandied about right now is Attorney Lorna Kapunan.
Yeah, I think we can confirm that she's one of the lawyers that are helping the public prosecutor.
For the record, boss ko yan dati.
Oo.
See, I worked for Rocco Bunyag Kapunan. My first job was with sina Lorna Kapunan. And Lorna, however tough she may look, she's a very motherly and trained as well in litigation. But you'll have a good team. But unfortunately, you guys are not practicing lawyers. And you have a private prosecution such as, let's say, Lorna. On the other side, these are all seasoned,
Oo, sila ano
seasoned
yan,
lawyers.
sila
Like si Siegfried Fortun.
Fortune.
The Fortun Narvasa firm is basically their
Anchor,
main law
oo.
firm, their anchor. So how are you prepared to and by the way, Siegfried Fortun has already two occasions of representing former presidents. So are you ready to go up against them?
Tingnan, naghahanda naman po yung mga public prosecutors, no? Doon sa trial techniques, no? So, we have to be able to brush up on...
And you have to brush up fast, man.
At saka, pero,
When is the start of the trial? You look at July?
we're waiting for the calendar, but I think around the middle of June.
Middle of
yung pong trial proper.
Ah, really?
kasi mayroon pa yan, di
So
ba?
you have
They
10
will be asked.
So nag-start na
10 plus 5.
10 plus 5 and then setting the
Pre-trial.
pre-trial calendar. So they have a pre-trial where you set the dates for the hearing. So it's not July.
Hindi, I think mga middle of June, baka nagta-trial na po.
Kung maging maayos yung Senate leadership, baka
As far as I know kasi, for instance, si Joel Chua, Congressman Joel Chua, did public interest law. He was representing indigents and all that. Oh. I don't know not to denigrate the skills of the congressman because first and foremost, you're not practicing law anymore. You're prohibited from practicing law.
Pero makikita rin yan na Sec Edwin ng publiko eh. Kung ginagamitan sila ng mga lawyers techniques sa hearings na just to evade or to
Plus you have to
block evidence, etc., etc.,
Plus you
di ba?
have to correct. But you have to contend with the problem that your senator judges are not lawyers and are not familiar with the rules of evidence.
Well, ang total may bintahe din naman po na hindi ho sila mga abogado eh.
Correct.
Kasi syempre, the questions that they will be asking during the probing questions, yung mga practical lang pong mga tanong, na talagang inisip din tingin ko ng ordinaryong mga tao. No? So, I think that would
So
guide...
that will be to your advantage.
I think that would guide the public also in further understanding the because it's not just about us.
Kasi tingin ko ito dalawang audience ng prosecution team eh. It's not only the senator judges but the public as well. Palagi ko yun ang audience ninyo eh. You will not only be convincing the senator judges but including the general public, which is more important tingin ko sa bagay na yan. Di ba? Agree ka ba doon na you will be addressing also the general public?
I think
Very critical dito ang role.
well, there's also a very public objective na maunawaan din po talaga ng mga kababayan ho natin ito pong proseso na ito. Dahil hindi lang naman po ito tungkol sa mga politiko, sa kongresista, senador, impeachable officials.
Given that understanding that the public should be apprised and should be educated and informed, are you going to conduct the trial in Filipino?
At tingin ko, isa yun dun sa mga pwedeng gawin.
Eh, hindi tayo gumagawa ang trial natin English. So, talagang dapat may...
Wala bang
Hindi ka
sa
pwede tulad
stenographer?
ko na barok ang Tagalog ko. So, you need to get lawyers who are very well-versed in Filipino.
I'm well-versed in
You are
Filipino.
well-versed, but Noy Defensor is from
Ilonggo.
From Ilonggo, and his Filipino is stilted. It's very formal. So you're supposed to be very vernacular. So can you afford to do that? Are you training them also, apart from trial technique, are you training them to speak more in Filipino?
Kaya nila yan. Ako, I have high regard for the team. Kaya naman ho nila mag-Filipino. Particularly during the, kasi formal Filipino naman talagang gagamitin pagka presentation na po ng mga witnesses din eh. Oo. So,
Kung
Is that already
Jinky,
a
Batanggenyo.
standard na pag-desisyonan nyo na mag-Filipino kayo sa trial?
well, hanggat maaari, dapat Filipino yung pamamaraan ng pakikipag-usap sa witnesses.
So, pag nag-Senate leadership change,
Na naman.
oo, during the course of the trial, will that be a complication for you or will it be better for you?
Well, hindi naman ho. Ang sabi ko nga, hindi naman nagbago yung komposisyon. Kung may magbabago man, liderato lang po eh. So, ang magbabago lang dun sa totoo lang, kailangan lang mag-oath nung bagong presiding officer, tapos, ayun na, nagkaroon po ng pagbabago.
Okay.
Tough question na tayo.
Sige.
Si Kerwin, dahil
What do you mean tough questions? Kanina pa yung tough question eh.
Ganun ba?
Ito, tapat question.
Ito, tapat question. Kung ikaw abogado ni Senator Bato, i-convince mo ba siya na sumuko?
Tingin ko, duty ng abogado yun eh. Na kausapin yung kliyente niya. Na may warrant ka na. Magpakita ka na to.
Tama. Pero
Sumuko.
mabuti si Senator Padilla hindi abogado. Kasi otherwise, it's part of our, di ba? Part of our canon of ethics natin eh. Di ba? So you cannot tell him to violate. But anyway, the question of the constitutionality of that ICC one is still being debated. No? So the other thing that I'd like to ask you, the ICC, the President Duterte has changed his lawyers, no? What do you think of the Dutertes being able to afford top caliber defense lawyers?
Well, I don't know how they would be able to fund it kasi hindi ko alam kung are they getting from the legal fund of the ICC. Baka may ganong mechanism eh.
You mean to say they can, ano?
I don't know. I don't know how they will actually pay for it. But I have some concern lang about how the strategy of the former president is being implemented. Parang pinapatagal yung proseso po ng paglilitis. Tingin ko dapat pabilisin na. Not just for the benefit of the drug war victims, but also for his benefit. Kasi I think very important na magkaroon talaga ng determination kung guilty ba siya o hindi siya.
Kasi, sorry
guilty.
Ben, yung they're denying ill-gotten wealth sila, wala, unexplained wealth. So, the fact that you're able to pay so many hundreds of thousands of dollars to this law, previously to Kaufman, don't you wonder what's the source of their paying these lawyers, top caliber lawyers?
Well, I think the first point that needs to be made is we don't know how much the fees are. So that would be jumping the gun kung we're asking already kung how can they
once
actually pay.
this is disclosed,
for,
but similar to the amount of Kaufman.
Yeah, I don't know how much he was paid
Okay.
actually.
No.
$150,000 a month.
I don't know the figures. So
There's no interparliamentary courtesy here. We're
yes,
not
I
talking
know,
to a
but I
member.
really don't know what the figures are. Kasi I haven't seen the engagement contract
Of course.
the former president.
Kung kailan nyo gusto
Anyway.
mag-abogado, mag-aabogado siya.
Anyway, with
No,
the
but again,
recent,
just
with the
to
recent,
finish the point on the former
with the
president.
recent shake-up in the Senate, tingin mo ba na mas mahirap makuha yung 16 votes to convict
Tingin ko hindi naman
Baby
po.
Sara?
Hindi ka nahihirapan to get the 16?
Hindi, totoo lang. I think it is irrespective of the leadership naman po eh.
Yeah, but right now, let's say irrespective of leadership, are you confident you're going to secure 16 votes?
Tingin ko kaya po yun based on the evidence that we will be presenting.
But where are you going to get them from? I'm sure you've done a head count on each and every senator. Where are you going to get the 16 votes?
Tingin ko naman we can reach 16.
Assuming that there's 11 right now,
You're
you got
extremely
5.
confident.
Mataas masyado yung extremely confident.
Confident na lang.
Sinabi ko lang confident.
Basta pa-convict, okay ka na ha.
Grabe din naman yun. Basta ma-convict. Basta we can convince.
But you're confident,
16.
confident
We
enough
can
to
convict.
secure the 16 votes
Tingin ko naman po, based
on the basis of the evidence.
Yeah.
Okay, not talking about personalities. Okay. My next tough question to you is: you were appointed by President Duterte as head of the Presidential PCUP, Presidential Commission on the Urban Poor. Why did you turn your back on your former benefactor?
No, the former president fired me.
Fired you?
Yeah.
Why?
Supposedly for excessive foreign travels, no?
Okay.
But I think to be very clear, nasagot ko natin, all of these were authorized, no, by the office of the president itself. And it was a multi-party delegation. Hindi lang ako mag-isa. Doon po sa mga, nagpunta sa mga conferences po na ito, representing
Why
the
do you have to
country.
travel so much abroad? What were your learning experience or learning takeaways from traveling to?
No, these were like housing, these were housing conferences,
Okay.
climate change conferences na very relevant to urban poor issues, no?
Okay.
So I was there with the National Housing Authority. I was there with the HUD.
So you think hindi yun ang rason talaga?
I wasn't even the head of delegation in some of those, no?
Right.
So it was a multi-agency conference, no? Na it wasn't just me.
Pero nagulat ka ba na inappoint ka ni FPRRD?
Hindi
sa
naman.
PCOP?
Hindi naman.
Anyway, so
Wala
Terry,
pa yung
thank you
oras
very
natin.
much. Next time around,